Hi guys, today I'm having Jack in the Box. I'm starving. I was craving Jack in the Box for some reason. I think it was the egg that I like a lot there, so I decided to get Jack in the Box, and right now it's 2:30 p.m. and so I got the number 29. I believe it's called the grilled breakfast. I'm not so sure on that, but usually it's supposed to come with bacon, ham, and cheese, and I asked for no cheese, no bacon, and no ham, and I did request for an extra egg. So it's just pretty much a sourdough bread with eggs, and it's still hot because I was rushing to get home. And I'm drinking a Sprite. I should have gotten something else because at Jack in the Box they have those Coke machines where they can make any flavors, or like a grape flavored Sprite and stuff. So I should have done that, but I didn't. And I don't think they gave me a straw. Okay, I don't think they gave me a straw. So drink from here. But I'm just so hungry. And I have a hash brown. Still got the meal. And it comes with, it's pretty big. So I wish that they would do. Oh, I asked for extra hot sauce and then he gave me only 5. I wish they would do customizations because I didn't want cheese, egg, or ham, or the bacon, and I want an extra egg, and I still have to pay. I still have to pay 69 cents for that. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. I'm craving this. I'm putting hot sauce. If Ralph was eating this, he would probably put ketchup instead. I just like hot sauce with everything. So good. This is so good. Right there. Here are the hash browns. I love the hash browns here. It's pretty good. Well, I think, okay, when it comes to hash browns, of all fast food chains, I like them all because I just love hash browns. And the hash brown's not too hot. This is what I meant. Coca-Cola Freestyle. These machines where you just press on them and they change like over 100 types of flavors. When it comes to fast food, no, when it comes to breakfast fast food, I prefer Jack in the Box over McDonald's. Ralph, on the other hand, he likes McDonald's more. But I just, for some reason, I don't know what it is. I just like Jack in the Box. When we were small, my mom would take us to Jack in the Box a lot. And you know, I was driving and I was thinking about this when I was waiting to make a U-turn. That because I was thinking of things to talk about for this video. And I was thinking how, like, when we were younger, when it came to Jack in the Box, I would always order something from the breakfast menu. I don't think I ordered, like, the hamburgers or the chicken sandwiches. It was always something from the breakfast menu. When I did eat beef, hamburgers were always more like McDonald's. We didn't really go to Burger King much though. And In-N-Out, I think we didn't go to In-N-Out until, I want to say I was in high school, which was years ago. 12 years is when I was 18. Like 16 years ago was when I first heard about In-N-Out. I love their egg. I'm trying not to waste the hot sauce because I have another sandwich to go through. Oh my gosh. Here's my straw. So drink that. Okay. I should have done like a cherry or strawberry high C. All right. To the other half. I was gonna go take mama and order the food and sit in the car and eat instead, but it's just too hot outside. It's amazing how something this simple can be so good. And it's not like I don't think the bread has butter on it or anything. It's just so good. I have one more, the last packet of hot sauce. Have I ever had breakfast from Burger King? I don't even know. I've never had breakfast. I don't think I've had breakfast at Taco Bell or Burger King. I don't think I have. But I'm pretty sure I've had the hash browns at Burger King at some point. I normally don't like the crust. So good. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Say bye, Mama. Bye.